I'm going to show you how to take apple cider vinegar and baking soda and mix up a kick-ass kidney health concoction. Before doing anything I fucking say, go consult your local fucking drug dealing doctor and make sure it's okay. Just don't let the fucking crook sell you any drugs when you're in there. Let's begin. So, we have our kidney drink. Apple cider vinegar, baking soda. So, we're tending to your teeth here. So I've done this pre-experiment and I got the pH bang on so it won't fuck your teeth. So we take our apple cider vinegar. This is Bragg, organic. It has mother in it. That's the sediment in the bottom. There's other brands that are good too. I use this one. So 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Okay. Now, we take our baking soda. This is Red Mill baking soda. This is the good shit. Okay? The Arm & Hammer stuff you can use, but this shit's way fucking better. Now what we're going to do is we're going to mix 1/2 of a teaspoon. 1/2 of a teaspoon. The goal is we want the pH to be 7 or slightly greater. And I did the experiment before and it's good when you do 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Okay, there's 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. See how it bubbles up? Just let that settle for a sec. And now, I have my pH strips. The pH of that vinegar is fucking basically nothing, very low. We don't want that on our teeth. So that's why we're mixing this baking soda in. Plus the baking soda's got wicked health benefits when it comes to kidney health and other things. Alkalizes your body. Okay, so we're going to mix this up. Mix it up a little bit. So right now, this drink, the way it sits without even adding any water, is safe to drink and it won't fuck your teeth. But I'll mix it up a little bit here. All right. Now, I'll check the pH. Okay, so I'll show you guys. So see the orange one beside the blue? That's good. See the jar? So you want to be up on the pH and it won't fuck up your teeth. So right there, we're sitting at somewhere around 7. Okay, so we're healthy here. We're good. We're good. We're not going to fuck our teeth. Now, you can knock this back. Now, you can knock this back. You put a little bit of snake juice in there, knock it back that way. I have a little bit of water here. You don't need much. If you want to use just like 4 ounces or something, you don't have to even put water in as long as you have some snake juice. But if the apple cider vinegar, if your gut's not used to it, you want to mix something in it probably for the first while. So put a little bit of water in. All right. Stir it up again. And then knock it back. No issue with your teeth. Okay. Keep in mind though, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda is 540 milligrams of sodium, which I could care less about. That little extra sodium in the day is not going to matter. But if you're knocking this back, say 2 to 3 times a day, then it will matter somewhat, because obviously 3 shots of this is going to be 1,500 milligrams of sodium. So therefore, you got to do a little bit of homework, and you might have to cut a little bit of sodium out of your snake juice. depending how much snake juice and water you're drinking, okay? Now, lastly, we have some lemon juice. We're going to mix this up on its own. So, if you're drinking lemon juice in the day, I don't even give a shit how much you drink. Just don't fucking drink it and get it on your teeth. Drink it with a damn straw. So let's say I'll mix up 4 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course I forgot my fucking straw, so I'll grab it quick. So I got 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. So I take my straw and just drink it. Perfect. And then just to be on the safe side, take a little shot of water, gargle it around and swallow it. Done. If you did that whole concoction 2 times a day, it'll be amazing for your kidneys. Okay? So basically we're doing it to handle tooth health here. So the vinegar, we just drink out of the straw. Sorry, the vinegar, fuck. The lemon juice, we drink with the straw. The vinegar, we mix with the baking soda. 2 tablespoons of vinegar to 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. You can add water if you want, knock that back. Awesome for your fucking kidneys, especially when you're kicking toxins and shit with the fasting. This is why this stuff is fucking important. Very, very important for general health, okay? So, if you have any questions, post on the YouTube video. You can private message me on Facebook. You can ask questions on the Snake Diet Motivation Group. And don't fuck this up because you'll fuck up your teeth, okay? And if your gut is having issues with the vinegar, cut it back a little bit. That's all. And then just ease into the vinegar. So everyone have a great day. And get that fat in ya.